Let me present to you John. John isn't happy with where he is in life and wants to get better at coding to get a job. But instead of grinding lead code or building projects, John spends 8 hours a day playing video games because he has no motivation and discipline. John has a constant feeling of guilt, and after getting rejected by all the companies he applied to, John figures he has had enough and wonders how he can turn gaming into coding. But what makes video games so addictive? Games always give a sense of achievement by leveling up your character, reaching milestones and becoming stronger and better. While you are not progressing in real life, you are getting better in this virtual world, which makes you feel like you are moving forward and becoming better. So it isn't about video games, it is about the feeling that they give. A simple way to turn gaming into coding is to get that same feeling of accomplishment from coding. So John started to use quest-based learning. He developed a list of tasks and saw them as coding quests. For example, one quest could be to do a lead code problem or to simply brainstorm ideas for his next personal project. Then he used an experience point system. Finishing a task would give him experience points based on the difficulty of the task. He also decided to implement a level system with a certain amount of XP needed to level up. As he gathered experience points, he started to virtually level up his coding skills, and John realized that as his virtual coding level went up, his real-life coding skills improved dramatically. He started as a level 1 coder, struggling to do an easy lead code problem, and is now easily solving medium lead code problems with a bunch of projects in his portfolio. So if you are like John, think about what will work best for you and try to implement it. Remember, it's not about video games themselves, it's about the feeling of accomplishment they provide. By implementing quest-based learning and gamification in your coding journey, you can replace gaming with coding and level up your skills. So instead of grinding on your favorite game, grind on your coding skills and start leveling up now. Another aspect that helped John to code consistently is using the 5-minute rule. You can click on this video to learn more. Thank you for your time. That was CodeFlow.